Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer coolant leak issue and what may be causing it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A coolant leak in the Ford Explorer is commonly described as coolant puddles under the vehicle, low coolant warnings, overheating symptoms, or a sweet-smelling odor from the engine bay. Verified owner complaints and service information indicate that coolant leak concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine design, cooling system layout, mileage, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause is radiator or radiator hose leakage. Over time, rubber hoses can degrade and develop cracks, while radiators may corrode or develop leaks at seams or connection points. These issues are more common in higher mileage vehicles or those exposed to extreme temperatures. Another confirmed cause involves water pump-related leaks. In some Ford Explorer engines, water pump seals may wear over time, allowing coolant to escape. Owners have reported coolant loss without visible external leaks in certain cases, depending on engine configuration and pump placement. Thermostat housing and gasket failures are also documented contributors. Plastic housings or gaskets can crack or warp due to repeated heat cycles, leading to slow coolant leaks that worsen over time. Heater core or heater hose issues have also been reported. Leaks in these components may cause coolant loss and, in some cases, coolant odor inside the cabin. This varies by model year and cooling system routing. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include coolant reservoir cracks, pressure cap failure, or internal engine leaks. These are considered possibilities and should be confirmed through proper diagnostic testing rather than assumed. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include pressure testing the cooling system, inspecting hoses and radiator components, checking water pump and thermostat housing condition, and replacing failed parts once the leak source is identified. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Explorer coolant leaks are resolved through replacement of hoses, seals, or cooling components rather than major engine repair. However, outcomes vary by model year, engine type, and how early the leak is addressed. In conclusion, Ford Explorer coolant leaks can result from hose degradation, component seal wear, or cooling system part failure. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.